Gear up, auto enthusiasts! In today's video, we're unveiling 20 new automotive tools on Amazon that'll take your garage game to the next level. From smart diagnostic tech to clever repair kits and innovative organizers, these tools aren't just new, they're next-level upgrades for every car lover. Stick around till the end, because number 18 will make you rethink what's possible in your toolbox. Number 1. Sportsman Storage Trunk. 56 quart. Keep your tools and gear secure with the Sportsman Storage Trunk. Offering 56 quarts of capacity, it's perfect for garage, truck, or outdoor use. Made from heavy-duty plastic, it resists impact and weather, keeping contents safe. The reinforced lid and sturdy latches ensure secure storage, while the spacious interior fits tools, equipment, or emergency supplies. Durable, portable, and versatile, this trunk is an essential addition for mechanics, DIYers, or anyone needing reliable storage on the go. Number 2. 97-piece Auto Body Dent Repair Kit. And dings quickly with the 97-piece Auto Body Dent Repair Kit. It includes glue pullers, tabs, and specialized tools for smooth, professional results. Designed for cars, trucks, and SUVs, the kit works on minor body damage without repainting. The ergonomic handles and durable materials make repairs precise and effortless. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts or professional detailers, this kit saves time and money, restoring your vehicle's body to like-new condition with ease and efficiency. Number 3. Heavy-duty caster wheels, 600 pounds. Upgrade your tool carts or workstations with these heavy-duty caster wheels, each supporting up to 600 pounds. Constructed from high-strength materials, they roll smoothly and provide stability for heavy loads. The swivel design allows easy maneuvering in tight spaces, while the durable finish resists wear and corrosion. Perfect for garage or workshop applications, these caster wheels make moving equipment safer, faster, and more convenient, adding efficiency and mobility to any work area. Number 4. Touchscreen Work Gloves. Unisex. Stay connected while working with these touchscreen work gloves. Designed for mechanics, construction, or DIY tasks, the gloves feature conductive fingertips, allowing you to operate smartphones and tablets without removing them. Made from durable, breathable materials, they offer protection and comfort during extended use. The adjustable wrist strap ensures a secure fit for all users. Practical, versatile, and comfortable, these gloves let you handle tools and devices seamlessly, keeping your hands safe while staying productive. Number 5. 15-piece piston ring compressor kit. Install piston rings quickly and efficiently with this 15-piece piston ring compressor kit. Each tool is crafted from durable steel for long-lasting performance, providing even compression without damaging rings or cylinders. The set accommodates multiple engine sizes, making it ideal for car, motorcycle, or small engine repairs. Easy to use and precise, this kit reduces frustration during engine assembly, saving time and ensuring professional quality results every time. Essential for mechanics and DIY engine builders alike. Number 6. Air Vacuum Pump and AC Manifold Set. Maintain your car's AC system effortlessly with the Air Vacuum Pump and AC Manifold Set. Designed for automotive professionals and DIYers, it efficiently evacuates air and moisture before recharging refrigerant. Durable gauges provide accurate readings, while the robust pump ensures smooth operation. Lightweight and portable, the set is easy to handle in tight engine bays. Reliable and precise, it saves time and guarantees proper AC performance, making it an essential tool for air conditioning maintenance and repairs. Number 7. ECU Coding Diagnostic Scanner Pro. The ECU Coding Diagnostic Scanner Pro lets you program and diagnose vehicle electronic control units with ease. Compatible with most modern cars, it reads codes, clears errors, and allows advanced functions like module coding. Its intuitive interface and fast processing speed make diagnostics efficient and reliable, lightweight and portable. This tool is perfect for professional garages or tech-savvy enthusiasts. By providing accurate insights and coding capabilities, it simplifies vehicle maintenance, saving both time and effort. Number 8. Digital Compression Tester 200 PS. I check engine health accurately with the Digital Compression Tester, rated up to 200 psi. It measures cylinder pressure to detect leaks, worn rings, or valve issues. The easy-to-read digital display ensures precise readings, while durable components provide long-lasting performance. Compatible with most engines, this tester saves time by pinpointing problems before they worsen. Lightweight, portable, and professional grade, it's an essential tool for mechanics and car enthusiasts who want reliable diagnostics for engine performance. Number 9. Hose pinch. Off pliers, angled and straight. Control fluid flow during repairs with this set of angled and straight hose pinch off pliers. Constructed from hardened steel, they securely clamp hoses without damage. The ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue, making prolonged work more comfortable. Perfect for brake, fuel, or coolant lines, they prevent leaks and mess during maintenance. Durable and reliable, this versatile set ensures clean, efficient automotive work, helping mechanics and DIYers maintain control over every repair project. Number 10. Adjustable wrench. Set 6, 8, 10 inches. Tackle a variety of fasteners with this adjustable wrench set, available in 6, 8, and 10 inches. The sturdy steel construction ensures durability and long-term performance, while the smooth jaw adjustment provides precision gripping. Ideal for automotive, plumbing, or household use, these wrenches replace multiple fixed-size tools. Ergonomic handles reduce hand strain, making extended use comfortable. Versatile, reliable, and essential, this set allows mechanics and DIY enthusiasts to handle a wide range of nuts and bolts efficiently. Number 11. eSamcore Dashboard iPad and Tablet Holder. Keep your tablet secure and accessible with the eSamcore Dashboard iPad and Tablet Holder. Adjustable arms fit most devices, while the sturdy base ensures stability during drives. Perfect for navigation, entertainment, or hands-free applications, it keeps your screen within view without obstructing your line of sight. Easy to install and reposition, this mount is ideal for drivers, rideshare professionals, or tech-savvy enthusiasts who want a safe, convenient way to use tablets in the car. Number 12. Toyota Camry 9th Gen Gas Cap Cover 2025. Upgrade your 2025 Toyota Camry with the stylish gas cap cover for the 9th generation. Made from durable materials, it protects the fuel cap while enhancing the vehicle's exterior look. Easy to install with no tools required, it provides a sleek, custom appearance. Resistant to scratches and weather, this cover adds both style and protection. Perfect for Camry owners who want a quick, affordable way to customize their car while keeping it practical and functional. Number 13. GZSH Ford Bronco 2025 Center Console Organizer. Organize your Ford Bronco's interior with the GZSH Center Console Organizer for 2025 models. Designed to fit perfectly, it provides compartments for phones, keys, coins, and accessories. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the sleek design complements the vehicle's interior. Keep essentials within easy reach, reduce clutter, and enhance functionality during daily drives or off-road adventures. A practical, stylish solution for Bronco owners who value convenience and interior organization. Number 14. 4-piece silicone door lock. Covers for LC 250. Protect your LC 250's door locks with this 4-piece silicone cover set. The flexible covers shield locks from dust, dirt, and corrosion, extending their lifespan. Easy to install and remove, they fit snugly without affecting functionality. Durable silicone ensures long-term protection, while the bright colors make them easy to spot. Practical and affordable, these covers help maintain your vehicle's door locks in excellent condition, preventing damage and ensuring smooth operation over time. Number 15. Jeep Grab Bar Tray Organizer 2024 to 2025. Keep your Jeep interior tidy with the Grab Bar Tray Organizer for 2024 to 2025 models. It attaches securely to grab bars, offering storage for phones, keys, drinks, and small tools. Durable materials withstand daily use and off-road vibrations. Easy to install and remove, it enhances convenience without cluttering the cabin. Perfect for Jeep owners who want organized storage within reach during drives, this tray organizer adds functionality and style to your adventure-ready vehicle. Number 16. Echtring Backseat Trunk Organizer for SUVs. Maximize SUV storage with the Kring Backseat Trunk Organizer. Multiple compartments keep groceries, tools, sports gear, and personal items neatly arranged. Sturdy materials and reinforced stitching ensure durability, while foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. Ideal for family trips, daily commuting, or off-road adventures, this organizer keeps your cargo secure and accessible. A practical, space-saving solution for SUV owners who want organized, clutter-free storage in the backseat or trunk. Number 17. OHL Pro 2-in-1 Backseat Charging Station Box. Charge devices on the go with the OHL Pro 2-in-1 Backseat Charging Station box. Equipped with multiple USB ports and an internal organizer, it keeps electronics powered and clutter-free. Designed for car use, it sits securely on the backseat or center console. Durable construction ensures long-term use, while its compact design saves space. Perfect for families, rideshare drivers, or commuters, this charging station provides convenience, efficiency, and organization during every journey. Number 18. 144-piece home hand toolkit with case handle. A variety of repairs with this 144-piece home hand toolkit, including screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, and more. Each tool is made from durable steel for reliability. The organized carrying case keeps everything neatly in place and portable, perfect for home, garage, or automotive use. This kit ensures you have the right tool at hand for any job. Versatile, sturdy, and comprehensive, it's an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 19. ProStormer 200-piece auto and home tool set. Be ready for any project with the ProStormer 200-piece auto and home tool set. From automotive maintenance to household repairs, this kit covers sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and more. Durable construction and an organized case provide reliability and easy access. Compact yet comprehensive, it's perfect for DIYers, mechanics, or anyone who needs a versatile, all-in-one tool solution. Save time and effort with a kit that's ready for any task, big or small. Number 20. 16.5-inch 3-layer plastic toolbox organizer. Keep your tools organized with the 16.5-inch 3-layer plastic toolbox organizer. 3 stackable layers with separate compartments make storing small parts, screws, and hand tools easy. Durable plastic construction withstands daily use, while the portable design allows easy transport. Ideal for garage, workshop, or automotive storage, this toolbox organizer saves time, reduces clutter, and ensures your tools are always within reach when you need them. And that wraps up these 20 new automotive tools on Amazon that make work effortless. From storage solutions to precision diagnostic devices, each tool is designed to save time, boost efficiency, and make every garage or car project easier than ever.